I'm here today to give you an update on Beam. Today we're going to be looking at Beam from a market structure perspective. We're going to be going through price predictions, amazing key buy levels for this asset, and also how high this asset could be going over the next 6 to 12 months. So starting off with Beam here on the macro term timeframes, you can see that we actually launched down back in around October 2023 on BitGet here, and since then we've seen highs come up of around 4 cents there. So very bullish chart overall, looking really good. In terms of market structure here, guys, to determine whether we're in an uptrend or coming down into a downtrend here, we're going to be looking at these very strong market structure points. The market structure points that I'm referring to are all of these lovely yellow lines. These yellow lines are basically higher lows, guys. They're confirmed higher lows, and what I mean by that is they're a nice pullback in the price, and then we break that high price. Okay, we break that high price and that confirms the higher low. So for example, massive bullish momentum, pullback, break that high, that confirms this higher low. So in terms of referencing these for a market structure guidance point here, you can see we're actually testing this higher low. The last time that we saw momentum from this higher low was here, guys, and the support was very strong. Now, what have we seen here? Nowhere near, nothing is going on. We're not really seeing any sort of support for Beam over the last sort of day or so. I mean, the markets haven't been that great, but the low point that we want to look out for here is 2 cents 84444. If we do come down to that, I would expect a nice smooth bounce to the upside here, just respecting this higher low area. Before we continue with this video, guys, I want to talk to you about a cryptocurrency webinar that I am hosting every single day, and this is a simple 5-step strategy on how you can make a 5-figure a month income in as little as 42 days. Okay, every single attendee who attends this webinar will get a trading strategy worth $250, and also you'll be getting $300 worth of mindset trading strategies and abilities as well, given away on every single call here. And also, guys, guess what? It's completely free. So if this is something you're interested in, please go to the link in the description, or click up there, and you'll see a nice link to the cryptocurrency webinar where you can learn a brand new strategy for free. But that's it for now. Back to the video. I don't want to see candle body closes below this higher low, and that's below 3 cents there, guys. So just definitely a point to be looking out for there. If you do see that happen, then please expect a bit more downside and probably testing the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band, and also testing 2 cents 65 there, okay? But overall, you're still in a nice bullish trend here. And in terms of how valid this higher low is here, you can see the wick on this bad boy, and not really any sort of consolidation after setting that low, just straight breaking that high. So essentially that does mean that this higher low isn't as valid as what we have seen here, okay? This is still going to be in a bullish market structure, even coming down to around 2 cents 6 there. Going to bring up some automatic Fibonacci retracements here. Not on this time frame, apparently. Or this time frame. That's very strange. I don't know why that's not working. Hey ho, it is what it is. Let's do it. Let's freehand it. Okay, so let's jump back to the macro and let's draw some Fibonacci from the swing low here for that opening price at BitGet to that swing high, the all-time high for this asset that we can currently see, and that is going to be the Fibonacci retracement of the 0.382 is currently sat pretty much exactly where we just explored that level, guys, and that's currently sat around 2 cents 82. So definitely a point to be looking out for there. This is your next bounce point. This is your next buy area for Beam. Just remember, we are in this nice bullish market, really nice uptrend here, guys, and these are the points where you want to be buying these low areas, because you're continuously breaking highs here. You really are. So it's very likely that this is going to continue over the next 6 to 12 months here. So that's the TA, technical analysis perspective here for this asset. Let's get into sort of a price prediction for this asset to see how high this could go over the next 6 to 12 months here. Very interesting stuff here, guys. Okay, so we're going to be comparing this to another GameFi token, and that is going to be a Gala here. You can see the previous all-time highs here in terms of market cap for Gala is around $5 billion. That's the market cap for Gala. Not right now, but previously. So if we're referencing that to Beam, then we can be looking at it like so, because the market cap for Beam is currently $1.5 billion. Okay, so a 2x would be 3 billion, a 3x would be 4.5 billion. So So you're probably looking at 3.25x or a 3.5x on your investment for Beam, and that is basically just sending Beam to Gala's previous all-time high, which is completely feasible. And we need to remember, so we're looking at 3.5x. So let's draw that in on the chart here and see what sort of price that could mean for this asset right now if we were to hold this for the 6 to 12 month period that we were just talking about. So 3.5x is going to be 250% there. And that'll put us around 10 cents there for Beam, okay? So very exciting stuff if that is going to happen. You can expect massive gains on your investment, and that's just simply comparing it to another GameFi token that was around the last bull market, guys. A lot of you are saying that Beam is going to be better than Gala, and they've got a lot more stuff going on, and it's going to be really good overall. So maybe they break previous all-time highs of Gala, but Gala is currently sat at $1.7 billion market cap, and Beam's currently sat at 1.5. So for Beam to catch up Gala this quickly, it's very impressive in my opinion, okay? So that's another bullish sign that we can be looking for here for Beam. And usually, guys, remember, every time we come into new bull markets, come into new alt seasons there, we usually break all-time highs overall. So again, this is quite a conservative price prediction for Beam here, but 10 cents is clearly on the cards here. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and drop a like if you like the content. And if you never want to miss one of my uploads, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And yeah, for now, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.